Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Laplace transformation. So we put L for the both side in here. So here is about the formula. We need to transform this one into this one into this one, and cos t into this one. So we will have like this. So this one a equals to number 1. So we put a equals to number 1 going here, and we have h over h squared minus 1. Next, y0 we have number 2, so I will put number 2 going here. Next, I will put negative number 2 go to the right. F of h and f of h we can do about factorization. So they should be like this. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. We see that h squared minus 1, this is about identity, so I will put h minus 1, h plus 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over h minus 1, capital B over h plus 1, capital C over h minus 2. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about h plus 1 h minus 2. So capital A will multiply by h plus 1 h minus 2. About this one, it is missing about h minus 1 h minus 2. So capital B multiplied by h minus 1 h minus 2, and so on in here. This one we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of h. About h squared, we have a plus b plus c. About h, we have negative a, negative 3b. About the number, we have negative 2a plus 2b minus c. Now, we compare coefficients. We just have only h, that means negative a, negative 3b equals to number 1. We don't have this one and this one, so they will be equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. And here is the solutions of ABC. Now we put ABC cone here. Now we go back in here. So this one, that is about this one. And now we need to simplify this one in here. So we have 8 over 3. And now we have the formula in here. Now we need to do about inverse Laplace transformation. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.